Go on, my friend. Oh, look at that. Seagull killed a pigeon. They've just been fucking eating. I've seen that happen a lot more. Seagulls just fucking grabbing their KFC from anywhere. Oh man, is that the end of Pigeon 187? I had my tyre repaired, and the repair shop left that there as a little souvenir. Oh shit. Oh, look at that. River Thames Part 2 right here. What's going on? Windows down. They jumped the light frame, so some shit was going down. But yeah, I could see they're up next to him at the next set of lights. I don't smoke. Better watch your mouth, or I'll be watching your house in the bushes like, when this bitch gon' come out? It's enough for that ECC. Who was that? Iridium visor, so he had swag. Ooh. Bit too high of a gear for that speed there. Cheers, mate. Sorry, I ain't got anything on me, buddy.
That is one of those quite cool exhausts, but they're expensive.
Thanks a lot, cheers. Yeah, good brand. There you go, we've got a Black Widow endorsement now. The guy knows. Cheers, dude. It's alright, eh?